Hello everyone, welcome to Asedo's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm making sauteed cabbage and vegetables. This is a quick, easy and wholesome dish. It is prepared and cooked in under 15 minutes. The ingredients for this recipe are cabbage, onion, tomato, olive oil, frozen vegetables, vegeta, paprika, garlic powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt to taste. The quantities used are listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. To begin, I heat some oil and saute the onions. As the onions start turning brown, add the tomatoes and saute the two together. I add the spices, vegeta, and mixed vegetables. The aroma in the kitchen is already so good. I add a little water and allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then add the cabbage. I reduce the heat and cover this for a minute for the steam to soften the cabbage. After 1 minute, I stir to combine, cook for another 2 minutes, adjust salt to taste, and mix to allow time for the salt to blend in. Cabbage does not take long to cook, so I let this cook for another minute and turn the heat off. The cabbage is now ready. Serve this with rice, bread, or asida. If you're new here or you've been watching me without subscribing, please support my channel by subscribing, liking this video, and leaving your comments down below. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.